First thing on the fucking floor.
Download Credit Sesame for free today.
Fucking
Cheese
hair.
snap. So thin, so crispy, but we fear.
Don't hold it like that, drive it with the controls.
Genuinely concerned, we made product out of cheese. Cheese it snapped.
Jesus Christ.
Go to readers.com. Hundreds of styles to choose from for under $20. Commons reading glasses hard to find in stores, like bifocal style readers, reading sunglasses, and readers. Readers.com.
What? I got the floor. I am. Will you use the controller?
What? Come on. Come a little bit closer.
Drive it this way.
I'm gonna get you.
Use the controller to back it up, not your hand.
I'm gonna get you. Ow.
Use the remote.
I'm gonna get you.
Look, if you want to go backwards, push this way.
No.
Look.
No. Well, flip will flip it.
Look.
There's a flip. Can't get me.
Here. It's the remote, so I don't know how to flip it. I haven't figured that out yet. Whatever. If I had enough to do it, I would. I don't. If you keep driving up your foot, you would have got to flip.
Go get it.
Bring it back. Turn it around.
No.
Turn it with the controller. Now drive it back this way.
Here.
Get out of my bedroom. Drive it. Set it down. And drive it.
I need to turn it.
See, you flipped it.
Now I flip it.
You just flipped it in the cord. You flipped it again. Hmm. Last time we didn't have nothing. Yeah.
Why did it do? Ow. Come on. Huh?
I know what you're trying to do.
Ow.
He's trying to run it up my foot again. Because he always if he can run it up my foot, that he can get it to flip. So he's trying to get me with it.
Me, haha. No, get back, Carl. Haha. Haha, you got hurt.
I did not get hurt. It doesn't hurt. Getting chased, look. Getting chased by the remote control car. It's chasing me around the house.
You better run. Can't get me, never move. Come and get me. You will get hit. Haha. Get hurt. Oh yeah? How about him?
Drive it on the floor.
No, I want to hit you. You.
Drive it on the floor.
You drive it.
You drive it.
Yeah.